Where are we here?
We're at the satellite office at Emergency Traffic Patrol for the Kennedy Expressway. Let's walk over here and I'll introduce you to Kenny Parker. We all have orange hats.
Ken, how are you?
How you doing?
Will Klinger.
Hi.
What's in store for us today?
Okay, we're going to go down to Kennedy and check out for stalls, anybody, accidents, anybody that's broke down, we'll get them out of the way.
How many of you are there out there on the road?
We have about 10 drivers out there right now. It's bad during the rush hour. I wish people would use more alternate routes than they do, but I guess they won't.
Might not be a day you want to remember, but we figure we put it on camera for you.
Oh, really? Well, I'll tell you, they came along in about 2 or 3 minutes after I'd stopped, and I was all the way in the high-speed lane.
That's why they're called Minutemen.
They were here in no time at all. Ken, the guy that pushed me off to the side.
Ken's right here. You want to thank him right for it?
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, how you doing, Ken? Thanks, buddy.
All right, no problem. You're still here, huh? Waiting for help?
Buddy's coming with some parts.
He owes you, Ken. He owes you.
You bet I do.
What do you charge for towing a car?
We don't charge no towing. This is funded by the state. We had numerous people jump off bridges, commit suicide. Some jump in front of a semi doing 60, and there's nothing left for them after that happens. And the only thing we could speculate that they try to commit suicide.
That's a pretty good guess. You got some flares there, Ken.
Looks like he's got his foot up like he's broke down, so we'll pull behind him. All right, this is abandoned, right? Yeah. All right, I'll hook it up and relocate it.
It can be pretty dangerous when you're doing one of these in the middle of the road.
Right, it is very dangerous. As you can see, like, these people are coming mighty fast over here.
I'm going to stay over here, Kenny.
Not a bad idea, I tell you.
I want to see if you live up to this Minuteman thing. Easy as pie.
Look, that's it is when you know what you're doing. We're ready. Let's go.
Let's get out of here. Well, Kenny, you lived up to your name. That was under a minute.
That's how quick we are. We're like a flash, like a cat.
I blinked and I missed it.
That could happen with us.
You know, you got Rescue 911. You got shows like Cops. What about a show, I.Men?
I don't know if it'd go over well. You could ask your producer, maybe, and I'll star in what they want.
You've got star quality, Ken.
I asked my wife that. She never told me that.
Hey, there's your friend. Somebody picked him up.
Finally got to him.
Well, we sort of saw that story from beginning to end, didn't we?
Well, he ain't home yet.
Kenny, what are we headed for now?
All right, we got a rollover car in the expressway at the Kennedy at California. Right now, we're headed over there.
You want me to blow this air horn?
I got a kid here bleeding real bad. I got somebody here holding his head with some bandages. I just want to get back out and sit with him.
Keep blowing the horn. We're going to go up the ramp the wrong way now. Got lights on. I'm going to pull over to the side. The rollover over here. People are in the ambulance right now. There's the rollover.
Yeah, everybody out of there. There was a little kid that was hurt, but he's going to be okay. Got a big gash in his head.
But you got him out of there okay?
Yeah, we got him out okay.
I'm going to roll this up on its wheels and tow it out of here and get traffic flowing again. There's probably people back there at, where it's maybe around Diversity or so, and probably wondering what's all the holdup. And they won't even know now, because this car's off the highway.
Another job well done.
Thank you. I think it was well done, too.
4948. A bunch of cars. People just sitting around looking.